How to use Elgato Game Capture HD60 Dual PC. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Elgato Game Capture HD60 with a dual PC setup. This means one PC for gaming and another for streaming, giving you a smoother performance and better quality. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect the hardware. First, connect your gaming PC's HDMI output into the HDMI in port of the Elgato HD60. Next, connect another HDMI cable from the HDMI out of the Elgato to your gaming monitor, so you can still see and play without any delay. Now, plug the USB cable from the Elgato into your streaming PC. This sends the video signal to your streaming software like OBS or Elgato Game Capture. Step 2. Set up audio. If your audio goes through HDMI, you're good to go. Elgato will capture it automatically. But if you're using headphones or a mic directly on your gaming PC, you might need to use a splitter or software like Voicemeeter to route the audio into the HDMI as well. In OBS, make sure to enable Use Custom Audio Device and select Elgato Audio. Step 3. Configure the software. On your streaming PC, open OBS and add a new video capture device. Choose Elgato Game Capture HD60 from the list and set the resolution to 1080p at 60 fps for the best quality. If there's audio delay, go to Advanced Audio Properties and adjust sync offset, usually around 200 to 500 milliseconds. And that's it. Now you're ready to stream with a dual PC setup using the Elgato Game Capture HD60. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.